I am a conductor, and I started with the Adirondack Railroad the second day they opened up on July 5th of 1992. Well, I'm in my 31st year as a volunteer here. I'm one of the old timers. I enjoy history, I enjoy the Adirondacks, and I enjoy railroading. I was a career railroader and started when I was in college, and I officially retired after 40 years with the railroad in 2020. But I continue to volunteer here because I enjoy it, and it brings three of my interests together as one. This railroad was opened in 1892 between Herkimer, New York in the Mohawk Valley and Montreal, Quebec. Shortly after the railroad opened, it became the Adirondack division of the New York Central Railroad, and it stayed that way until 1968 when the New York Central Railroad merged with the Pennsylvania Railroad. The Adirondack Railroad is about a few things, one of which is the preservation of the history of the Adirondack division of the New York Central Railroad, the promotion of tourism, and explaining to people and allowing passengers to see the Adirondacks from a different vantage point, where we see a lot of different things that normal riders in a passenger car do not see. If you want an experience that is not part of your normal routine or normal day in life, the Adirondack Railroad offers a lot of different types of train service. Well, come out and try it for yourself. Come out for a ride. AdirondackRR.com is their website. You can look to see what days of the week and what events and what types of trains are operated, and come out for your enjoyment. Love to have you on board.